Hi, I'm Kyle with Maple Systems. Do you need a compact industrial tower stack light that makes machine status visible from all angles? Well, today we'll be taking a deep dive into our TL1 Series tower stack lights. These are available in direct mount and pole mount versions with steady and flashing light modes, optional buzzer models, and stackable color modules. Let's take a look. The TL1 series is designed for industrial signaling applications where clear, reliable machine status visibility matters. These tower lights use LED light sources with opal polycarbonate lenses, giving you comfortable 360-degree glare-free viewing. They're available with 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 layers with color options including red, green, amber, blue, and white depending on the configuration. The TL1 series supports both steady and flashing light modes with flashing at 60 to 80 flashes per minute. There are also optional buzzer models available with adjustable volume control lever and a maximum sound level of 85 decibels at 3 feet. All TL1 series models run on a 24-volt DC power and include flying leads for wiring. They are built with durable industrial construction, including ABS, and they're rated for a wide operating temperature range from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Models without a buzzer are rated IP65, while models with a buzzer are rated IP54. There are 2 main mounting styles available. First, the TL1 60D series is the direct mount version, which is designed to mount directly onto a panel or machine surface. Then there's a TL1 60P series, which is the pole mount version, and this version includes an aluminum pole and is ideal when you need the tower light elevated for better visibility. Both versions also support optional mounting bracket accessories, giving you more flexibility depending on your installation. Now let's talk about the accessories. The TL1 series gives you several mounting options depending on your machine layout. For direct mount models, optional brackets include ABS plastic and steel bracket options. For pole mount models, there are several optional bracket styles including ABS plastic, steel, and aluminum options. And the round base silver aluminum bracket includes a gasket that creates a watertight seal for outdoor or washdown applications. Pole mount models also have optional pole lengths available, ranging from 100 millimeters up to 1000 millimeters. So whether you need the tower light mounted directly on a machine enclosure, positioned on a bracket, or elevated above equipment, the TL1 series gives you flexibility for a wide range of applications. Okay, now I'm going to unbox one of the TL1 series tower stack lights, and here I have a direct mounted tower stack light. This is a 5-stack TL1 series. It is the TL160D2BF-5. So let's open the box. And when you first open it, you will see some bubble wrap. You can remove this. Now let's take out the tower stack light. And you will also find the TL1 modular LED signal tower lights user guide. And there will also be a Maple Systems warranty. Now we can remove the tower stack light from the bubble wrap. And then here is the tower stack light. You will notice that on the bottom, it has 3 M4 flange nuts attached. If you were to purchase the pole mount version, it would come with a 0.7 inch by 9.84 inch pole attached, as well as 2 M18 hex nuts, 1 M18 washer, and then 1 split lock washer. Now let's take a closer look at the tower light. So you'll notice that there are 5 sets of lights here, and in this particular order, you will have red, amber, green, blue, and white for the 5-stack. If you were to just get a 1-stack, it'll be red. If you were to get a 2-stack, it'll be red and green. A 3-stack would be red, amber, green. A 4-stack would be red, amber, green, and blue. And then this also includes a buzzer. So you'll see right here, here is the buzzer volume. And for wiring, the direct mount version includes 15.7 inch or 400 millimeters of flying leads. If you were to purchase a pole mount, that would include a longer 55.12 inch or 1400 millimeter flying leads. All right, now that we've gone over the features, construction, and mounting options, I'm now going to demonstrate the TL1 series in operation. So here I have one of the pole-mounted tower stack lights, and this one is a 3-tier, has 3 lights. Starting at the top, you have red, amber, and green. And I'm going to be using the very cool Maple Systems push buttons to trigger the LED lights for solid state, flash mode, and using the buzzer alarm. So this unit and all the tower stack lights run on 24 VDC power. So you want to look over your wiring diagram for your tower stack light very thoroughly before you put it in use. Once you have it wired and you're all set, you can activate the LED layers to show machine status using steady or flashing light signals, which is what these push buttons will do. And if you're using a buzzer model like this one, you can also add an audible alert with adjustable volume control, which is located right here at the bottom. And I have a push button for the alarm as well. So let's demonstrate using the push buttons with the tower stack light. First, we'll look at the solid state. So red, right here, amber, green. I can turn these off. Let's go over to the flashing mode. So you have red, amber, green. Of course, you can turn these on and off individually. So say you have your red flashing, and this will also trigger the buzzer alarm. So you have your alarm here. And you can adjust the volume at the bottom, turn it all the way up, much louder. Turn it back down. So this makes the TL1 series a great fit for machine status indication, operator alerts, production lines, and other industrial signaling applications. Well, that wraps up everything today. And remember, if you need a durable, modular, and highly visible industrial tower stack light, the TL1 series has you covered. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page to receive notifications on our latest video content. To get more information on the TL1 series tower stack lights, please visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.